Okay, so hello everyone. Am I audible to all? Am I audible, guys? All right. Okay. So in last class we have discussed about the form, right? So we have discussed about the form text, text input, password we have discussed, email, right? Radio button, checkbox, and drop down, text area, and file upload. How we can create file upload button, and then we have discussed about submit and reset button and attributes. Okay, so have you tried to create something, guys? Have you deploy anything on Netlify? If yes, please share the link so that we can see.
Still, I'm processing. Till 10 minutes, I will complete that one. My portfolio I completed, and day
Okay,
4 class I did.
all right. Okay, so once it has done, please let me know. Okay, and you can
Yeah,
share the
I will
link.
share.
You can share the link in the chat box so that we can see. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, Avik, did you try something? Okay, so we got the link. Let's see what he has created. Okay, so he has created one portfolio. This is a simple HTML. Welcome to our web development services. Okay, then image tag is there. All right. So this is the home itself. Then about is there. Okay, in about here he is added image. Then services. Right. In the services also he added image and some unordered list, and the contact, in the contact he also added the unordered list and image. Okay, that's great. Have you created something with form? Okay, so let me just open VS Code and let's see what we have done in last class. So so in last class, let me open. Okay, so we have done with this kind of form, right? We have seen the input text, password text, and email text, right? And these are nothing but radio button, and these are the checkbox, and this is the drop down menu. So how does it look like? So it's something like with the drop down, and then we have created one text area. So text area is something like, it is something like big box where we can write a good length of message. Then we have one upload button which is for uploading the resume, then form submit. Okay, but we have made some fields important, I mean required for submitting, means you cannot submit the form before filling this. Okay, so if you will submit it, what it will ask, please fill this field. Okay, so after filling this field, then only we can click on submit, because that is what required field. Okay, so what it is saying, thanks for submitting data. Okay, so what we are going to do today, what we are going to learn today. So let me just tell you what we are going to learn today. Okay, so today is day 6. Okay, and in today's class we will be discussing about the field set. Okay, So what's the use of field set? Why do we write the field set? So whenever you want to group some fields together for the clarity purpose, then you can use field set in the form. Okay, so groups related fields together for clarity, right? And then we have one more tag which is legend. Okay, so what this legend tag do? So provide a little, sorry, it provide the title for the group. Okay, so whatever field set you have grouped using field set tag, so it will provide the title to them, right? Okay, so after completing this, we will start a new concept here, new topic, which is formatting tags in HTML. So we will see what are the different formatting tags are there. Okay, so in HTML we have different formatting tags. Like whenever you want to, let's suppose whenever you want to make bold the text, then you can use. Okay, so here we have different categories like basic text formatting. Okay, so in the basic text tag formatting, we have some tags which we can use. So the first one is V tag, then we have strong tag, then we have I tag, and after I tag we have EM tag, and then we have U tag, then mark tag. Okay, then we have a small tag. So these are the basic tag. And next category is in the formatting tag, we have another category which is known as, okay, which is known as, we can say, editing, and we can say revision. Okay, so in this category we have one delete tag. Okay, and then we have one insert tag, right? And then another category we have which is subscript and superscript. So whenever you want to make a subscript or superscript, so in that case you can use one sub tag and one sub tag, superscript and subscript. Okay, and then we have some other tags. Okay, so other tags are like, we can say, more tags, more formatting tags. Okay, so more formatting tags are, we can say, we have like pre tag is there, and we have one q tag is there. Then we have one hr tag and br tag. Okay, apart from this we have so many tags, but these formatting tags are enough for us as of now to understand. But before understanding the formatting tag, let's go here and try to understand the field set. Okay, so we'll try to understand the field set with HTML form page. Okay, we'll create one HTML basic form. We will club all the fields, right? So how to create it? You can first of all we will start a new folder by clicking on this open folder, and here we'll be creating another folder which is for day 6. Okay, let's select this folder. So folder has opened, right? After that we have to create one file which is index.html file. Okay, so here we will create the boilerplate HTML code. So we will write HTML colon file. Okay, and we will get this boilerplate code. Okay, let's give the title. So let's suppose title is Edway student registration form. Okay, if you have any doubt guys, you may stop me and you may clear your doubt first, right? Okay, let's write here one form or one heading. Okay, what heading we can write? Student registration. Let's write the heading name this. Let's make it live. Click on go live, and simultaneously we can focus on our work as well. I mean on output as well. Okay, so now here what we have to do, we have to understand about the field set. Okay, field set is for group the related fields, but before creating the field set we need to write the form tag. Okay, so first we will write the form tag. Okay, so inside the form tag what we can write, we can write the field set. Okay, so let's suppose we are creating it for personal information. So this is a comment I've written, and here I'll create one field set. So fild field set, right? So can you see this border is coming, such kind of border is coming? This is coming just because we have written the field set. Okay, so after field set what we can write, we can write what I said, after field set we can write legend. Why do we are writing the legend? So that we can provide the title to home, title to grouped. Okay, whatever fields we will group. Let's suppose I'm trying to group some fields. Okay, so let's write here legend first. Okay, in the legend we can write the name of this group. So this group name is personal information. Okay, so can you see personal information is written here because of this is the title of this group fields, and here we can create similar type of fields. Okay, so personal information related fields. So if there is a personal information, so what are the fields we require? So we can have requirement of, or like name comes under the personal information, right? So can we mention here name we will write. Okay, I'm just writing comment for understanding purpose. Okay, name we will write, and email comes under the personal information. Next field is what we will write, like phone number we can write. Okay, and then we can write the gender as well. Okay, so for gender we can create the radio button. So this is only we will create, these are the only things we will create under the personal information. Okay, and after that we will create one course information. So means we need to have another field set. Okay, so we have two field set, one is this and one is this. So the first one is for personal information, the next second one is this is for, this is we are creating for the course information. Okay, course information. Okay, so in the course information here we will write the name, I mean the field set title should be what title we can give, course selection. Okay, so can you see the group name is course selection, right? So in the course selections what we will write, we will write the, what we can say, we will write the drop down. Okay, we'll create here one drop down for selecting course. Okay, so right now I'm not writing, but we will write, I'm just telling you the like overview. Okay, so how to create the name field, how to create the email field, how to create phone number and all. So let's see. So here in the first field set we have to focus here only as of now. Okay, so for creating the name we can write the input. Okay, and the type of this input is what, text, right? For this input we need to create one label. Okay, in the label we will mention the, we will, in the label we will mention the field name. So the field name is name, we are creating it for name, we have written name. Okay, and in the for we will write the id. So what's the id of this? So id of this field is name, so here also we will write the name. Okay, so if we will click on this name, so automatically this field will select. That is why we are writing for name and id is also name. Okay, so are you guys understanding? Bhavani, are you understanding about it, what I am telling? Are you understanding or do you have any confusion?
Yes, sir, understanding.
Understanding now. So if you have any confusion, if you don't understand any point, please stop me and ask me. Okay, it's better to clear before proceeding further, right now.
Okay.
All right, so this is what we have created. So what I've created, name input field. So whenever we are creating any input field we need to write label also. Okay, so why we are writing label? This particular thing, this name, this particular thing belongs to the label. Okay, and this particular thing belongs to this field, right? And right, hope you're understanding. And this field set we have created for this border, can you see this border is coming, right? And this legend we have created so that we can give the title of this border, right? And same here, the second field set we have created for the second border, and inside this because I closed it, so we cannot see the legend, but here is a legend, the legend name is course selection, that is why it is coming, right? Okay, so we have done with name, now we have to work with email, right? So we have to create the email field. So for creating the email field we will write two things. First we will write the label, second thing we will write the input. Okay, so by default it is giving us text input, but we have to write the email input. But before writing the email input, let's give the name of this label. Okay, so see this email is coming in the same line, but I want to move it in the next line. So what I will do, I will write the line break. Okay, line break. So what is line break? Line break means we will write here PR tag. So BR is for line break. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, now this is a text field, but we don't need to write here text field because this should be the email field. So what is the type of this email field? So please see here, guys. So when I'm clicking on this email, nothing is happening, but see here, when I click on this name field is automatically highlighting. But when I'm clicking on this email, nothing is happening. Why? Because in the for of the email we didn't write anything, but in the name for we have write the name and we have created the id. Similarly here we will create one id. So id name could be any. So the same id name we have to keep in the for label for. Okay, so now if you will notice here, if I will click on email, automatically this field is selecting, right? Okay, so we have done with name, we have done with email, and we have to write the phone number. Okay, so for writing the phone number we will create again two things. Okay, but before this let's do the line break so that it should come from the new line. Okay, so what's the first, we will write the label. Okay, and after that we will write the input. Okay, now we have to tell the which type of input it is. So type of the input, so when we are talking about the phone number, when you are talking about input, I mean phone number field, so you will write here tel. So tel means telephone. Okay, and here also you can mention the name. So name is what? Phone. This phone number you can mention, or in short also you can write. Okay, so when I click on this phone number, it should automatically select. For that we need to write here one id. Id is what? One attribute. So we are writing id attribute. Okay, and here in the label we will write the for attribute. Okay, so the value of this id and the value of the for should be same. The value of id and the value of this for should be same, then only it will work. Okay, then only it will work. So let's write the same value for those. So the id is, I mean the for is for, I mean for value is phone and id value also is the phone. Okay, so when I click on this phone, automatically it is selecting. Okay, next we have to create one more field which is gender. Okay, so gender should be selectable, and if it is selectable, so it should be the radio button. So line break, and here we have to write what we have to write. We have to write one label. What's the label name? Gender. Okay, so label name is gender. Now I want some, like there should be 2 points should come to select. Okay, this is for male, this is for female. Okay, so if user will select this, so here let's suppose male is written and here female is written. So either can user can select this or this. So this is nothing but radio button we are talking about. So let's create the radio button. For creating the radio button, what do we have to write? We will write here input. Okay, so see, when I'm writing input, it is coming like a text box. But if I will change it, like type is equals to radio, so it's coming like a point, right? Okay, so for this input we have to create one label. So label is what? Let's suppose this is for male. Okay, similarly I have to create one another radio. So input, right? So input is coming text. we can convert it into this type of button. So we need to mention in the type attribute. Type is what? Attribute. And here we will mention radio. So automatically it will come like this. But what we have to do? We have to mention the label as well. So we will write here label tag, and in the label tag we will mention female, right? So see, if I am trying to select the male and at the same time if I try to select female, so both are selecting. So this is what ambiguity. It should not be same. Okay. So what we will do, we will write here, name. So name I am writing as gender, and here in the input tag, if you will write the name attribute and if you will give the same name as the gender, so now it will select only one at a time. Why? Because I have given the name attribute. I have given the name attribute here and the name attribute here. So if both are same, both are common in both attribute, I mean both tags, so it will select only one. So let's see. So when I'm clicking on male, so male has selected. When I'm clicking on female, so female has selected. Means two at a time is not selecting. But let's suppose somehow I'm not able to see this, or I'm not able to click on uh, this circle. But if I click on male, so automatically it should select this. This circle should fill. When I click on female, it should fill automatically because I am unable to click here. Let's suppose if I am not able to click here, if I click on the text, still it should select. So for this, what we can do, in the input we can mention the id. So what's the id here I am writing, let's suppose this is for male, so I have written here id male, and here I will mention the for, and for I will mention male. Similarly here also I will write id female, and here in the label for, I will mention female. And why I am writing this, so that if I am not able to select this circle, so I can click on the text and I can fill the circle, because sometimes there is a small screen we are not able to select, but text we can select, so it should select the circle. So let's suppose if I'm clicking on the text, so automatically that circle has selected. If I click on female, so automatically it's selected. If you click here or on the text, so both are workable. Are you understanding this concept, guys? Yes or no? Bhavani, Shobik, please let me know if you are understanding this.
Yes, yes, understanding.
All right, that's great. Okay. Let's suppose if the person is not male, not female, then we have to keep another choice. So another choice means we will write another input. Okay. So another input you will write. So automatically this text will come. I mean this field will come, but we have to make it as a button, radio button. So here I will mention type. Okay, now Bhavani, please tell me in the type what value I should write.
Radio.
Yes, very nice. We will write here radio. So the moment you will write the radio, so you will see this circle, and what I need to do next, I want to write like other, male, female, and other. So how can I write?
Name equal to the other. ID is name is equal to gender. ID is equal to other. And down label for other, and
Mm,
other
Just tell me,
label.
what should I write first?
Here down label
Okay, label. Okay, next.
for equal to other,
Okay, other.
for equal to other.
Should I write for?
Yeah, for equal to other,
Okay, other.
and
Okay,
input, beside the input also we have to write. Uh, Name equal to gender, ID equal to
Okay, I
other.
have I have a question. Why we are writing this for equals to other? If I delete this, so still we are getting here other.
But if you click on that, it won't click.
Yes, yes.
If you
If I
select a male,
yes, yes. But it is working. As I'm clicking on female, it's working. But I'm clicking on other, it is not selecting. Yes.
yeah.
So that reason you are saying we should write for. And in the for, do we need to write any specific value or any value we can write?
Where? Here.
In the for, what
Uh,
value should I write?
other only.
We can write any value. See, for example, I'm writing here three times. Okay. And whatever
Mhm.
value here I'm writing, the same value
We have
I
to
need
write
in
in
ID.
ID.
Yes, yes, that's great. So if I write here triple time M, so what will happen if I will click on it? It is selecting. Let's suppose if I am writing here two time M here and three time M here, will it select? Due to mismatch, it will not select. So here should be matching right now. So here is the matching. Let's suppose instead of this, instead of writing in the for, instead of writing triple M, if I write here male, what will happen? So you need to check male value we have written in the for. So you have to check which ID is having male value. So if you will go here and if you will see this this input field, this male input field is having ID male. So see if I click on this other, what it is selecting? Try to see here. If I am clicking on other, what it is selecting? Male. Why? Because I have written the ID here male. So that is why we have to write the ID similar to what we are going to select. Okay, is that clear? So better to write here meaningful name. So meaningful name like other if I am writing here. So same here I have to write other. Okay, understood? Means the name we are providing here in the ID, the same name we have to provide in the for. Okay, this should be interconnected, right? If we are changing here something, so here also change changes must be there also, right? Okay. Next another field. Okay, so we have done with these all the fields, means we have created personal information fields. Now what we have to do, we have to work on the course section. So for the course section we have to go to another field set. So we have completed this field set, so we can close it. Now another field set is for this course selection. Are you understanding, Sobik? Understanding? Okay. So for selecting the course, what we will do, we will create the drop down. Okay. So before creating the drop down, we will write one tag here, label, and here we will mention choose course. Okay. So choose course is coming, right? Now we have to create the drop down. So for creating the drop down, we will write here option. In the option, we will write the course name. So course name, let's suppose full stack development. Okay, sorry, we cannot write directly option, but if you want to write the option, you need to write first. What we need to write first? We need to write first select. Okay, so we need to write here selected In the select tag, we can write the option, right? So can you see it's coming with arrow symbol, right? So we can write other course information as well. Like we have Python course as well. So we will write here option and Python development. Okay, so if you will click on it, so we have two courses. One is full stack, second is Python. So let's create another option. Another is what? MERN full stack. Right, so just click on this. You can see MERN full stack is coming, right? But on the top, it should return what? Choose course, or maybe some other message, select your course, right? So what can I do? I can write here option. On the top, I can write here option, and in the option I can mention select course. Okay, select course is coming, but in the select course I'm able to select course as well. So I don't want to select the course, but this is as a message I want to see. So what I will do, I will write here one attribute. The attribute name is, what we can write here? The attribute name is disabled. Okay, so if you will write disabled, so it is not selectable, but it is not coming on the top. What I want to keep that select course on the top. Instead of writing full stack development, it should display as what? It should display what? Select course. But select course is not coming because of it is disabled. So we will mention here one more attribute which is selected. So the moment you will write the selected, so you will see course selected is coming, but it is disabled. You cannot select the select course, but you can select any course other than select course. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Does it make sense? Guys, understanding? Any doubts so far? Okay, so after that, what we can do? After coming out from this group, we can create the submit button. So input, okay, sorry, not, yes, we can write the input. Okay, and in the input, I have to make this input as a button. So how we can make this input as a button? We have to write here type submit. So when you will write type submit, it will come like submit button. But I want some line break. So for line break, we can use this BR. So here we have to do the line break. Let's just close this. So line break, only one BR is enough. Okay, all right. So I don't want to write here submit, but I do want to write here something like register. Okay, so how can I change the text over it? I will write here value, and in the value I will write the name register. Okay, and I want to keep this button in center, so I will write here align center. Will it work? Okay, so it is not working. Let's remove it. Okay, so this is what we have created. Okay, but when people are trying to submit this course, this field should be mandatory. This field should be mandatory. Okay, so in order to make those fields mandatory, what we can do, see, in the action you can mention after submitting what should happen. in the action you can mention, but I don't want to write the action. So in the input, I want to make this name field as what required. So you can write here required. So when you will register it, it is saying fill this field. I want to make email also required. So mention here required. So when you register, it is asking name. Okay, after writing name, if you will register, it will ask the email. So write the email. So after this, it is submitting. But I want it should ask the phone number as well. So let's make the phone number as required. Okay, so when you register, it is asking name, it is asking Gmail, it is asked. Okay, so if you will register, it will ask the phone number. So let's give some random phone number, then it will select it. So whatever field you want to make required, you can make it required. Okay, understood, guys? Okay, so after this we have another topic, which is formatting tag in HTML. Okay, so we have different types of formatting tags like bold tag, strong tag, italic, I tag. Okay, so we can use them all. Okay, so let's try to write one more file. Let's try to create one more file. So here we have formatting text.html, and this file name is, let's write this file name as field set. Okay, because we have used here fields, so that is why field set and formatting tag. Okay, so let's write the boilerplate code HTML colon 5. Okay, and write the heading here. What heading we can write? Formatting tag. HTML formatting tags. Right? Okay. So first of all, let's write one heading where we will discuss about the basic formatting tags. Okay. So let's click on this and click on go live, and here you can see we are getting one heading which is formatting tag. Okay, so here what I will write, here I will write HR for what we can say horizontal line, and after that I can mention the formatting tag. Okay, so first of all let's write uh, like for example I have to write this is which tag? Bold text, right? So this bold I want to make it bold, right? So how we can make it bold? Control V will not work here, so here we need to use the tag. What's the tag name? B tag. Okay, and between the B tag you will write the bold. Okay, so whatever text you want to bold you can keep here. Okay, so whatever you want to make bold you can keep here. Okay, so better to keep this entire paragraph in the B tag, right? So this is the B tag, and similarly we have other tags. I mean not B tag, I'm talking about bold. Okay, then we have this is okay. So let's do one thing. In the next class we will discuss about this formatting tags. Okay, so I think this much is enough for today because we have discussed about field set and legend and we have created the form. So in the next class we will discuss this, but before this, can you please show me your work, guys, what you have deployed? And if you are facing any issue, you may ask me like what problem you are facing in deploying. Bhavani, are you facing any problem?
Yes.
So you may share the screen and
I will. I will.
yes. Okay, what you have shared. Okay, second link also you have shared. That's great. Okay, it's looking very nice. So you have written one heading: connect with us. We would love to respond to your queries and help you succeed. Feel free to keep in touch. Okay. Okay, so here name, phone number. Here you have written the placeholder, and this is what mobile number, and this is the email field. You have written the placeholder, that is what subject. Okay, and then this is what reach us. Okay, so there should be a button. Okay, so Sobik, try to keep here one button to like register or something, so it looks more uh, better. Okay, so Bhavani, would you like to share your screen? Should I stop my screen?
Screen, but here option is not getting because I'm seeing.
See what you have to do. You have to click on the share screen button. So once you will click on the share screen button, you will see three tabs. One is Chrome tab, second is Window tab, and the third one is entire screen. So click on entire screen and then click on the entire screen window. Then click on share button. Are you getting? Or should I show you how to share?
Yes.
Okay. Share screen on Google Meet. Entire screen. So as you can see this picture. Okay, so when you will click on the share screen, so it will show you three tabs. Okay, within the three tabs, you have to select this entire screen tab. After that, you have to click here, and then you will see this share screen button, right? But right now, you are not able to select. I'm not able to share because I am sharing. If you understood the process, then I can stop sharing my screen, and then you may start sharing. Okay, you may start sharing now.
I I will share.
Yes, yes. But please make sure you should not open other tabs. Okay, like you should not show any confidential detail here. Does it working?
It's not working now, sir. Where I have to go?
You have to click on the share screen button, which is next to the video, next to the video button. Okay, so once you will click on the share
Immediately.
screen, Then after
Uh,
that,
I will I will click on the visual video.
no. You have to click on the share screen, which is left side to the emoji reaction button. After clicking on that share screen button, okay, so you will get three options: Chrome tab or window and entire screen. So you have to click on entire screen. Then you have to select on the screen. Should I show you one more time?
I will try. Wait.
Okay. Okay, see one more time. See one more time. Just see here. Just try to understand this image. Okay. Are you listening, Bhavani? Are you listening?
Yeah, Naveed, sir.
Okay. You just have to click on this icon. Can you see this icon?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you will click on this
Yes.
icon, you will see
Huh.
this window. You will see this
Yeah,
window.
Chrome tab, window tab, entire screen.
Yes, where you have to click on the entire screen. After entire
Yeah,
screen,
and
you have to click on this like grid. You have to click on this particular card, then share. Okay, I think
I shared.
okay you shared. Let me see. Yes, now you can show me what problem you are facing. But please do not open any confidential private tab right now. Okay, so you have deployed it. Uh, okay, you have created this. That's great. But did you make it live? Uh, have you deployed on Netlify? Am I audible to you? See, you are not audible. Can you please unmute yourself, Bhavani? Yes. Now you please tell.
If I'm clicking on education,
Uh-huh.
I'm getting like this.
Like this you are getting. Can you please show me your code once? Can you show me the code? So, where is the education page? Okay, so you have written capital E. See, you have written capital E for the education, but your file name is what? Small e. Can you see here in the left side? You have created education.html, which is in
Yes.
small case. So HTML is while writing the name, it is case sensitive.
Okay. Hmm.
And one more thing before executing, just click.
Hmm.
Okay, first you check whether it's working now or not. Yes, try now.
See?
Okay, still about page is not coming. Education is not coming. Okay.
Let's try to click on resume from about education skill. I'm getting the problem now, sir.
Mm-hmm. Let's resolve it. Just a minute. So here is your index.html. See what you have done. You have written. You have kept this page. Okay. Just do one thing. Just do
Yeah,
one
okay.
thing. Can you please see here? Can you see this icon? Uh,
Where? Okay. Yes, yes.
not here. But you have to
Hmm.
click on the extension. Where is
Yes,
that?
here extension.
Yes. Just click on extension and search here.
Yeah.
Uh, remix icon.
Excel share.
Remix icon. Remix.
Remix
RE.
icon.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Remix icon.
Just click on icon. No. Just write icon as well. The
Yeah.
first one. The first one.
Can I install it?
Yes, please. Trust and install.
Yeah.
Yes. Just click on file, which is top of the search icon. Yes. Okay. Now you just close this VS Code and reopen it.
Hmm. Again,
Close.
I have to open.
Yes. Close the VS Code so that it required restart actually. Open the VS Code again.
Okay, okay.
Close this
Hmm.
first. Now search and now click on VS Code and open. So the class is over. If you want to leave the meeting, you may leave. Otherwise, you can stay. Okay, but today's class is over, right? And I want you should create something with field set. You just create something or like some form with field set, right? You have closed the Chrome browser, right?
Hmm.
That,
Yes.
that you should not close actually. I ask you to close only the VS Code. Just open the VS Code one more time. Okay. So see, your index page is inside the image folder. Can you click on image folder?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And can you click on day 4 folder? So see, that pages, that index and everything is inside the day 4 folder. And this about page,
Yes.
education page and the skills page,
Hmm.
these are not in the same folder. That is why issue is coming. So do one thing, just
And,
drag them and drop into the day 4. Yes. In the day 4. No. See what it is saying. It went to the day 1. Do it nicely. Just one more time. Now bring. Not like that. Just bring them, close it. Yes. Just bring it near to index, between the index and resume. Yes. Just, yes, yes, here. Yes. Move it. Same for the education page. Education. Yeah. Keep it inside. Yes. Here only. Same for the skills. For the skills, there are two pages. Replace. Click on replace. Okay. Now click on these all. Check all these pages. Index, education. These all are the same you want.
Yes, I will check that.
Okay. Now you may start the server once again and you can check. Okay. So yes, click on about page. Skills page is not coming because of capital S.
Okay.
Go and check. See capital S. No, no, here in links. Here also you have to change. Wherever you have kept the capital, you have to write the small. In the education also. Here also.
Uh, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Yes, you may check now.
Still, I'm getting educate skill is a problem now.
Just click one more time on skills.
A skill, yes, I
Yeah,
gave capital there. I go.
just click on the skills.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here you have written skills. All right. So just go to the page. Just open the browser. Open the browser. Not every time you need to do it. You just open the Chrome. Okay, just click one more time on skills. Okay, what it is saying, HTML div for skill.html. Just
Yes.
unable to find skill. Okay, see what you have written is skill. And in anchor
Yes.
tag, show me one more time. Anchor tag, have you written skills? I mean, just open the VS Code.
Mm.
Uh, okay, here you have written correctly. Just click on index.html. Here it is also. See. What's your
Yes.
file name? Skills.
Yeah.
Just rename this file by right
Yeah.
clicking on it and remove S. Okay, just so these are the small mistakes only. You just open the Chrome now. Just open the Chrome.
Directly we can open it.
Yes, directly the second page, the first page.
Just
You have to click on the first window. Yes. Just click on this or right arrow, right side arrow, or right side arrow, just beside it. Can you see the right side arrow? Or you may go to the VS Code once again and you can click on go live. Am I audible? I think your screen has freezed. I'm unable to see.